Hey guys, I'm Min and this is Kelly. For those of you joining us for the first time, we have officially just had our dream wedding in Las Vegas. Kelly was angry I didn't show any of the clips of me kissing her feet before, so here you go. But after the wedding, we got into a really nice Hummer limo with a few friends and headed to my favorite hotel, the Cosmo. We booked the Terrace 1 bedroom with a premium view.
Yeah. My hands were sweaty as hell. I'm so glad I didn't go those things. I was nervous. I never felt so much pressure.
Need to open the door for me, guys. We just arrived to me and Kelly's luxury suite at the infamous Cosmo. You get a nice living room, TV with a big couch and a flat screen. Nice bar area. My best man over there pulling it up. Got some closet space here. The closet has some crazy designs on the inside, silver and neon pink. It's like a bikini girl running away from a cowboy, but she gets the gun and apparently falls in love and they have a child. You have a beautiful contemporary looking bathroom with 2 sinks and steam resistant mirrors. Huge, beautiful walk-in shower. I love the fancy soap that they use at the Cosmo. Massage, shower head, and a really cool view and a gorgeous backsplash. Huge tub. It's nice and deep, as you can see. On another night, I actually had a whole bunch of bath bombs to surprise Kelly. Nice little setup for Kelly to surprise her when she gets back. Then in the master bedroom, you have a nice king-size bed. They don't really overdo the designs in there. They just have some nice designs on the walls. It just has a very clean look to it. And you do have access to the bathroom from here. Or you can pull the shade down if you want. But it's really all about this view. I mean, come on. Guys, it's all about this right here. On the other side.
Oh, it's on the other side?
Yeah.
Okay, that's, I'm on the back side.
And I am officially married. We had a really good time at the wedding. It looked like everyone else had a good time. Big shout out to my best man, Antonio Martin. He was really coaching me the whole way, making sure I had a good time, making sure to ask if I was okay and everything. Big shout out to my boy Dorian for playing taxi driver and everything for me this weekend. Big shout out to Charlene and Kelly's family for helping her with everything. People that flew from California and all the people that flew from Florida to check us out. It's kind of like in Geneva. We appreciate you letting us get ready at your beautiful house, Scott Manor. We'll see you guys soon. We just wanted to show you guys that the Cosmo, you know, we love coming here. They showed us some love, and they actually knew we were getting married, so they left us a little candy and a card. We don't have the card with us, but we're about to eat some of the candy with you guys. Some vegetable truffles. We'll show you what.
Vegan.
Oh, vegan.
Not vegetable.
Oh, not vegetable. Okay, that sounds much better actually than vegetable truffles.
Purple box.
Here we go.
Cute little purple box.
Yeah. Kelly got many compliments on her nails.
Yes, I did. Shout out to Lynn.
All right, Lynn.
L-I-N-H.
100% plant-based vegan truffles. All right, baby.
Vegetable truffles.
Oh, they're actually 72% dark chocolate too, which I always eat, so cool.
Nice. Ooh la la. Okay.
How's that?
That's good.
All right. Now I'll try one. What flavor is that?
I think like orange.
I was like, okay. Oh, it's probably a little like orange peel on there. All right, I'm gonna try the red one now. See if I can, just from tasting it, or what flavor it is just by tasting it.
Taste it from.
I don't know, it's good though. Chocolate ganache, like a little cherry flavor or something in there,
Strawberry?
maybe.
Cherry.
It's good though. So we stayed on the 56th floor. That is 5 stories below the top floor. They probably have the smoothest and fastest elevator I've ever been in. People kept making comments about how it made like a cool noise. On the 14th floor, you have the Chelsea pool. I think you have the best view here. I was up pretty early, so nobody was out there yet. It was still closed. What's up, guys? I just wanted to share one more tip with you. If you stay at the Cosmo and you're about to leave, like I lost my headphones, so you can actually go to the gym and they'll give you some free headphones. When I went to get the headphones, you know, she didn't give me an attitude, didn't make me feel weird or anything. I came down in jeans, you know, so she knew I wasn't gonna work out, but she still gave me the headphones, no big deal. And also, we always buy a case of water. I recommend everyone doing that. You know, you're gonna be dehydrated, especially if you're drinking, and it can be hot out here. You can actually also get free bottles of water at the gym. Like, you know, you can't take a whole bunch. You can definitely grab 1 or 2 to take to your room with you. So the Cosmo definitely takes care of their guests. I've always loved the pillars in the lobby. These were plants that looked like jellyfish. Then at another time you have these life-size people who look like they're trapped inside the pillar. How creepy cool is that? If you step outside to the front entrance, it's clean and bright with a polished road. Beautiful entrance at the Cosmo. Of course, the Cosmo is known for its famous chandelier bar. It's beautiful and it's the biggest one of its kind. When you come to the Cosmo, you expect to see people. People dress up to come here. I took this a little before 2 a.m. and everyone was out and about. And keep in mind, this is with restricted access. So you basically can't get in without a key, or you can't get in without someone who has a key. I love this, by the way. I mean, you don't just want it so full of people where you can't even walk around. Like I said, it's almost 2 o'clock and I have no problem walking around here. And there's still plenty of people. During the daytime, it won't be as crowded, but there will still be plenty of people, especially if you're trying to get breakfast at Egg Sled. If you didn't see our last video, I managed to get into Ghost Donkey before it opened. Ghost Donkey is just one of the hidden speakeasies at the Cosmo. You really gotta love that they put effort into fun things like this for everyone. So here's a shot of Secret Pizza during the day. Now here's a shot of Secret Pizza at about 2 o'clock in the morning. What's up, guys? So me and Kelly checked into the Cosmo last night. This is our second night here. You guys can see why it's considered the best hotel on the strip. At least I consider it the best hotel on the strip. Casinos are awesome, but of course it's all about, you can't beat that view. In case you guys were wondering, you also have plenty of room for guests. Guys, I just want to give a big shout out to the housekeeping at the Cosmo. Wanted to show you, they saw that, you know, I like the soaps and stuff here. So they actually packed me a little bag. So shout out to the housekeeper. We'll definitely be leaving you a little something something. Thank you very much. All right, guys, so I have the surprise all set up for Kelly. Got a whole bunch of bath bombs here. We're gonna see how many we can get in there. If we can get them all in there, doing all kinds of cool stuff, that would be awesome. But first things first, I gotta start filling up the tub. So guys, one of the best things about staying at the Cosmo is the fact that me and Kelly took an elevator downstairs and we were right there at the Wicked Spoon. We're gonna do another video on the food that we had on this trip, but honestly, everything we had there was good. Their desserts, the prime rib, the seafood, everything was delicious. And if you guys watch Travel Ruby, I mean, she agrees. It's like, you look forward to eating at the Wicked Spoon. You don't want to go to a cheap buffet. Go ahead and spend a little extra money and look forward to everything you're gonna eat and enjoy everything you're gonna eat. And the fact that it's just downstairs is perfect. We were in line probably about 15 minutes. We came down at about 9:15. If you look at the line by the time we were leaving the buffet, like, look what a difference there is. Nobody likes standing in a long line, especially when you're hungry.
Make more of everything. Oh, shit! Yeah.
Guys, so that kind of wraps it up on some of the reasons that we think the Cosmo is the best hotel on the strip. Thank you so much for watching. We like to do food, travel, and random adventures. If you like this type of content, please hit like and subscribe. That would really help us out. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.
Oh no, I was so happy when you said, yo, if there's no reservation, I'm gonna, like,